Students, on this channel, you have been watching videos. We have uploaded videos of 4 chapters from our short duration revision course, so that before you decide whether this course is going to be helpful to you or not, you are able to see the videos. We have uploaded Human Reproduction by Dr. N.K. Sharma, Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants by Mishra sir, Thermodynamics by Vipin sir, and Current Electricity by Vivek sir, right? We'll be uploading one more video tomorrow from Ankur sir, which is the chapter Gravitation. So the idea is these 5 teachers have taught the complete chapters. I've already shared with you which chapters are going to come when. We have told you what chapters are going to be available on 14 January, then another set is going to be available on 5th February and last set on 28th February. Now one student called me today and said, sir, how am I supposed to use this course? Should I complete my syllabus and after that use it, or is there some other way I should use it? So first thing I want to tell you is that this is not a magic pill 200 to 650 in 2-month crash course. This is not a crash course. If you have not studied at all and you're hoping that somehow this course is going to make a significant jump in your preparation, no, this course is not designed like that. I don't think those kind of courses are feasible. Otherwise, what is the point of preparing for 1 year or 2 year or 3 year and cracking NEET? If this kind of magic pill or injection, you can take that magical pill or put that injection in your bum and you get selected. I don't think we can design a course like that. It is going to be lying on our part and we don't want to lie. Right? So this is the first thing. Second thing is, as the name suggests, short duration revision course. You require revision, especially before writing mock test. Right? So this is one good place. For example, today is Monday. Right? You know today is Monday. Correct? On Sunday, you are going to write, let's say, mock test. Now, good use of this short duration revision course would be that if you feel uncomfortable with certain chapters or you quickly want to revise the chapters before getting into the mock test, right? This is where short duration revision course comes in, right? We have provided a lot of things on this platform for you to help revise before your mock test, before you practice questions as the exam comes nearer. You have your bookmarks which you have done, right? Both in questions as well as flashcards, right? You have your mini question bank. Tomorrow we will update all the past year questions also in the question bank, right? Additionally, from theory perspective, understanding once more quickly. That is the idea of this short duration revision course. The idea is not to give you false hope. Doesn't matter, my dear child, if you did not study anything for 2 years, I'm going to give you something magical for 2 months. No, that is not the idea. You have been preparing properly. It gives you a certain advantage with respect to helping you revise better. That is the idea of the short duration revision course. This is specifically helpful if you are starting to practice questions. You can use these videos available in the short duration course before that, and very importantly, you can use them before your mock test. So this is the idea, students. It has been designed, again I'm saying, this is around a 200-hour video course. This has been designed specifically from the perspective that you should be able to revise in the good amount of time, 170 days that have been available, that have been made available because of the current situation to you. If you have any questions, if you have watched the videos, again I'm saying playlist of 4 chapters is given in the description on this video. These 4 chapter videos are available on this channel so that you can evaluate whether this is going to be helpful for you or not. Go and watch them. It is given in video description. If you have any questions, if you have already watched the videos, if you have any questions or you want to give me feedback on this course, you can call me on 9667591930, right? Or you can write it in the comment section whether you found it useful and can you relate to it. Would you be able to revise using the short duration course before your mock test and before you start practicing questions? So tell me in the comment section or send me a WhatsApp on this number, and that would be very, very helpful. All right, students.